But that's unfair. Bakit pati kami lahat madadamay? Bakit lahat ng aming mga pangalan at karir madadamay dahil lang sa isang ignoranting katulong? Yes, sir. I'm doing everything I can, sir. But my hands are tied. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. But that's unfair. Bakit pati kami lahat madadamay? Bakit lahat ng aming mga pangalan at karir madadamay dahil lang sa isang ignoranting katulong? I'm sorry, sir. Thank you.
Lord Constelacion, you are scheduled to be hanged on Friday, March 17, 1995.
Meron akong masamang balita sa inyo. Ginawa ko ng lahat ng magagawa ko, pero na-deny pa rin ang pagliban sa pagbitay sa mama niyo. Kahit yung sulat ni Presidente.
Nanawagan po kami sa mga mamamayan.
Katalungan sa lahat ang migrante magagawang Pilipino!
Sumama na po kayo sa amin. Ipagpatuloy natin ang paglaban sa labor export policy na nagbunga ng kamatayan ng maraming OCW.
Dearest Sister Lorilyn, before anything else, I would like to say to you, how are you too? Especially to your beautiful kids. I'm sorry I can't send you a card. I don't have anything. I lost everything in my life. By the way, don't be surprised this letter in English. Tagalog letter here, bawal. I can't go back alive to see you all, especially my children too. I am sorry. I am embarrassed you in public.
Sit down.
Sit there. You just sit there.
Ma. 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 Ma.